Guys, so this is Boracay at the moment, May 1. So there are no more algae as what it was before. Now the water is very clean or clear. And there are so many people at the moment going swimming. So here you can do the activities that you can do. You can do parasailing as what they're doing there. So you can do island hopping, and of course you can go swimming in the beach, and in that corner at the very far end you can do you can feed some fish there in that area. And the sailing, kayaking. So there, look at that. Let's look at this guy. He's doing parasailing. It cost 1,500 to do the parasailing without like 360 camera, and then if you do it with the camera, the 360 camera, it would cost you 1,800. That one. And then if you do the island hopping with a group, it would cost you 900 peso. 900 peso. And then if you do like what we did yesterday, wait a moment, there is an airplane. You see, an airplane arrives or land at least every 30 minutes. Oops, sorry. There. So, wait a moment. So that's it lands in Katiklan. And then from Katiklan, you need to take a small boat, maybe around 10 to 15 minutes, to come here to Boracay. So that one is Cebu Pacific. There, and then it's gone. There. So if you want to take the boat, the island hopping, usually go there. The boats are all there waiting. And then those things there, you can do some activities with the small boats there. I think there is also for snorkeling. And then there are also some restaurants, small restaurants there. So make it a little bit far. Yan. And then, that's what I was saying, in that area there is where you go snorkeling. So sometimes they do like package deal for the island hopping. It's including you go to some places, some islands. Like yesterday we went to 2 islands, and then we did the snorkeling. It was for 1,000 peso each, and we were nine in the boat. Like it's an exclusive one. So you can also do the like a group. It's for 900. There's including lunch. Yeah, so but if you want to go in your own pace, it's better to do the exclusive one. And you can stay in one area for as long as you want, and it is good for 4 to 5 hours. So, so there we go. So this is Boracay during the day. So no more algae for the moment. So it's just seasonal. The algae is seasonal. It comes and goes every year. So good thing when we came here, there's no more. So that's it for now. Thank you.